the Sydney suburb of Watsons Bay, Lee House stands as a testament to thoughtful evolution. Candalepas Associates has sensitively reimagined a 1920s cottage, not by erasing its history, but by gently coaxing it into a more expansive and light-filled existence. The project is a study in modest ambition, where the new architectural interventions act as a considered extension, reaching outwards and upwards into the rear garden. This approach fosters a stronger connection to the external environment, carefully curating the interplay of natural light and the surrounding landscape. Like its neighbors, Lee House retains the familiar charm of its original street-facing facade, preserving a piece of the area's architectural narrative. The true transformation unfolds behind this preserved frontage. Here, the new construction gradually emerges, expanding the footprint of the home deeper into its site. Despite the modest size of the allotment, the design achieves a remarkable sense of spaciousness, a welcome contrast to the more traditional, narrow terrace houses prevalent in Sydney. A central tenet of Candalepas Associates' brief was to maximize access to both natural light and the lush landscape, a challenge deftly navigated amidst the existing structure and neighboring properties. This focus on outward connection is a defining characteristic of the revitalized dwelling. The material palette further emphasizes the dialogue between old and new. The original timber weatherboard gives way to the robust presence of exposed concrete in the extended sections. This deliberate contrast in texture and temperature, the cool, refined concrete juxtaposed with warmer timber elements, creates a balanced interior environment while simultaneously framing carefully considered views of the outdoors. The strategic placement of lighting and openings plays a crucial role in the home's daily rhythm, enhancing natural light and ventilation. This allows Lee House to breathe and passively respond to the changing climate, with the concrete providing both cooling in warmer months and heat retention when needed. The overall impression is one of calm and enduring quality, a retreat thoughtfully crafted for its owners. That concludes today. I hope you enjoyed exploring Lee House with me. We'll have more great content coming soon, so be sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date. Thanks for spending time with me, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.